Good morning. This is Elsie Kerns, your overwhelmed warrior, with our Sunday meditation. And today, as we look outside, we see the wind pulling the last of the leaves off the trees. So it reminds us to let go as well. And also of that wonderful quote, life is not measured by the number of breaths that we take, instead by the moments that take our breath away. So, what is it today that you would like to let go of and haven't been able to up to now? Just take a reflective moment. I know for me, there's a certain amount of clutter and papers that just absolutely beg to be organized. So, take a breath in, deep breath in, and just let go. Again, breathing in, letting go. Find your own rhythm. And as you do that, imagine being in your safe space, wherever that is, so that you can totally let go, that you can feel safe to just reflect, let go, and be connected to all of your being for this short meditation. Breathing in, filling the lungs, and then letting go. Again, just following my voice, breathing in, letting go. Breathing in, letting go. Breathing in, letting go. Check your shoulders and allow them to drop. And now take a nice deep breath in, all the way in and all the way out. Just let go. Let your body, mind, heart, and spirit know this is just personal time for you to be with yourself, to reflect, renew, and restore your energies for the week ahead. In a nice rhythm, your own rhythm, breathing in and out, setting your intention to just let go, letting the nervous system calm down, allowing your whole body to relax. Hi, Rebecca. Glad you're here. Thank you for joining me. And again, deep breath in and just let go. This is priority time for you, just to be with you. Sundays can be a day where we just get to kick back and relax a little bit more before taking on the week ahead. And again, remembering life is not measured by the number of breaths that we take. Instead, by the breaths that allow us to take, that literally take our breath away. So as we continue to breathe in and let go, let's place one hand over the other at the heart center. And let's take a moment for gratitude, because when we focus on gratitude, we cannot be in gratitude and anxiety at the same time. So let's focus on gratitude that naturally lets go of anxiety and fear. Let's breathe in love, compassion, gratitude, and resilience. Hi, Pam. Thanks for joining me. Again, breathing in love, compassion, gratitude, and resilience. All of those things that we need so dearly today in the midst of a very uncertain world situation. Again, breathing into the heart center, love, compassion, gratitude, and resilience. Building those qualities within us and for us so that we can also help others that need those same qualities and confidence to take us through each day and the week ahead. So again, breathing in deeply, filling the lungs, and just letting go. Dropping the shoulders, being aware of the breath, and that as we breathe in, we're taking in that life force, helping it cleanse the body, and breathing out to let go. So I invite you today to just let that be a simple, easy mantra. 2 words, let go. And let the innate intelligence of your body guide you on exactly what you need to let go of in your life. This is Elsie Kerns, your overwhelmed warrior. Thank you for joining me. If there's any way that I can assist you, reach out. I offer a complimentary chat to see if I can help you in any way. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself and a great week ahead.